And Elizabeth starts affirming and confirming what the angel Gabriel had told her. Listen, don't you know that God can give you visualization in one place and realization in another place? Priest Kevin Brown.
I want to suggest to you today, my friends and family, that the first 3 words of this psalm can get you through anything that you're going through. The first 3 words is all you need to take on anything that you are facing. Listen, the Lord is. You're wondering, who's going to help me through this? The Lord is. Who's going to help me with my financial troubles? The Lord is. Who's going to help me with these children? The Lord is. Who's going to help me with my marriage? The Lord is. Who's going to renew my strength? The Lord is. Who's going to comfort me in the midnight hour?
During conception, there were a million others trying to get to the same place that you were trying to go to. That just went over. Listen. 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 During conception, you beat out a million others to get here. You could have been somewhere else, somebody else. But listen, you may have started at the back, but you swam your way and you kept swimming your way to the front. Because God had a purpose for your life. And now the stuff is out of control in your life. And you got some chaos. You have doubt about what God is doing. But God has favored you. Take Abraham about some organized chaos. He would tell us that it didn't make sense when God told him to go up on a mountain and sacrifice his son. Listen, if we were to ask Moses would tell, we asked Moses about some organized chaos. Moses would tell us, look, it didn't make any sense when God came to me and said, I want you to lead my people out of bondage.
Is our wants, because we want more than what we need to have. And I know that's the case because as soon as we get what we want, we're still not satisfied. Because we want more than what we need to have. But when the Lord is your shepherd, he satisfies all of your wants. He satisfies all of your needs, and it won't be frustration. It will be satisfaction because he not only supplies some of your needs, he doesn't just supply most of your needs, but he supplies all of your. It's going to be just fine. Listen, the word, the Lord there is Jehovah. It's the covenant-making God, the covenant-keeping God, the God that makes promises and keeps promises, the God that we enter into a relationship with in the 21st century. And the way you get a relationship with God is through his son, Jesus Christ. Listen, I don't care where you've been. I don't care where you are right now. I don't care what happened in the past. The Bible says that whoever shall call on the name of the Lord shall. And at least some of us, we try to eliminate our valleys. We act like the valley does not even exist. With everything that's going on around us, we act like it's not there. But you can't do that. Because if you don't face it, you can't fix it. But once you recognize it's there, you and God can handle any valley that you're going through.
The goodness of God over and over again in your head, and that sometimes means that you have to sing a song of praise. Listen, I'm getting ready to get out of here, but I've come to you today because I'm a living testimony. Listen, Mary was teaching us when things don't make sense in our lives, you keep singing until things make sense. And sometimes I have to sing a song, and I keep singing that song over and over and over again, and stuff starts making sense. Listen, I would sing for y'all today, but I can't really sing. So sometimes when I'm in my shower, sometimes when I'm in my car, sometimes when I'm just out, just nowhere, I start singing to myself. And my kids say, Kevin, they say, Daddy, why are you talking to yourself? And this is what I do. Listen, this is what I sing. This is my song. I say, I've had some good days. I've had some hills to climb. I've had some weary days. Oh, and some sleepless nights. Oh, but when I look around and I think things over, all of my good days outweigh all of my bad days. And I want to play.
I'm still holding on.